Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautifully restored 1966 Chevy C10 short box. It's got a 350 crate motor, 3-speed on the tree. It's a Saginaw transmission. It's finished in a modern color. Really pops. The Rallyes are a little bit wider, so it gives it a real nice stance. Beautiful chrome and stainless all the way around. It's got an oak bed with stainless runners. Stainless cap there too. Beautiful back bumper, brand new. Super straight body. Custom cab. Fire it up for you. Really nice fitment of all the panels too. 3-spoke wood steering wheel. Custom sound. Heat works real nice. It's pretty cold here today. Showing 82,534 miles. Custom sound system. It's got aux input with kick panel speakers down there. Original owner's manuals. New visors. Love this wood steering wheel. Really nice. Super cold here today. Let me show you under the hood. It's a 350 crate motor, brand new. Power steering, power brakes, steel heads, Mickey Thompson valve covers. Nice big aluminum radiator. Custom shroud. Brand new heater box. Gas tank sending in it. Gas gauge works beautifully. Yeah, it's got a nice sound to it. Flowmaster mufflers, 10-volt rear. take you for a quick ride. Man, it is cold out there. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, detail, information on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.